Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder's privacy. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder privacy, you should just go to settings as you see and you will enter. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Tinder app and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can go to your Play Store. You will search about Tinder. If you will find here updating this blue sign, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.